How to find jobs on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to find jobs on LinkedIn. Now, finding a job on LinkedIn is a straightforward process. Here is how you can do it. First of all, you just have to go and log into your LinkedIn account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So right on this page, you could go to the job section located right at the bottom, and then you can enter a search term. So in the search box at the top of the page, enter the keyword related to the job or type of job you're looking for. This includes job title, skills, industries, or company as well. Next, you can just go ahead and refine your search. After entering your search term, you could use filter on the left hand side of the page. The filters may include job location. Adjust these filters to match your preferences. After that, LinkedIn will display your job. LinkedIn will display job listing that matches your search criteria. Each listing includes details such as job title, company name, location, posting date, and brief job description. You can scroll through the listing to find opportunities that interest you. If you come across job listing that you are interested in, you can save them by clicking on the save button next to it, and the saved jobs are accessible from your LinkedIn homepage under the save tab. So that is how you could go ahead and find jobs on LinkedIn. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.